Now on a special sale for the holidays. The vacuum shoes. No more morning toilet rush hours. The new Double Sit 2000. Just watch Julie how beautiful it organizes every single lemon. Following the recipe has never felt so easy. Now for $16.99. With the mop socks, there's no need for hands. The ultimate cleaner. Make the perfect steak. Rare, medium, or well done.
Nope. Here's something you really want to buy.
Hello everyone, this is Dee with D&D Gardening and welcome to our channel. And I have a feeling my hair is a mess. I just came from outside. So anywho, today is Thursday, March 19th, and it is 1:30 p.m. I have a box today that I am going to open and put together, and it was sent to me by Humbirdy. So come along with me.
Bring your backyard to life with the smart and innovative Humbirdy Smart Hummingbird Feeder in 4K. This smart feeder takes birdwatching to a whole new level with a built-in camera that captures amazing footage of hummingbirds right at the feeder. Check out the Humbirdy Hummingbird Bird Feeder. Get yours at humbirdy.com. Use promo code DD10 at checkout. Thank you for your support. We greatly appreciate it.
Okay, so I have already opened the outer box, and now lots of paper, but trying to do the sitting down is not working for me. I'm just gonna put all this back in here to get it out of the way. Okay, so what you are looking at is an AI hummingbird feeder with full 4K Ultra. So I'm going to put this together and tell you a little about it while I'm doing it. So this is the Humbirdy Hummingbird Feeder. And all you do is you remove the bottom, you turn it upside down, you remove the bottom, you pour the nectar on the inside, never to fill it from the top. Always fill it from the bottom. You've put the nectar in there, twist that back on, turn it over, take your hook, and you can hook it to a tree or anywhere. And these little flowers that they have down here, they have a yellow and they also have red that go the same red as this. But I put the yellow ones just to be a little different. I probably put the red ones back on, but I want the hummingbirds to be able to see it. But this is it. It has AI and 4K Ultra, and it is a beautiful little hummingbird feeder. I cannot wait to see some hummingbirds in the garden. I saw some, actually I saw a couple of them not too long ago, and I'm like, if only I had, I can get more. So thank you so much, Humbirdy, for sponsoring this video. If this is your first time or your 5th time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. So until I see you on the next one, take care. Bye. Okay, you are going to be charged up. I think this is a different kind of hook, but we're going to use the one with the 3 prongs. But I'm going to get this bad boy charged.
The following day.
Today, I'm checking out the Smart Hummingbird Feeder from Humbirdy.com that really takes bird watching to the next level. It features 4K Ultra HD video and 8 megapixel photos plus 120 frames per second slow motion recording. That way, you can capture those amazing wing movements in detail. It also includes AI bird recognition for over 10,000 bird species with fewer false alerts and supports local storage so you can keep your favorite clips right at home. With the free Humbirdy HD app, you can share rare hummingbird moments instantly with family, friends, or on social media in real time. I also love the fact that the case is recyclable, and you know how important that is to us gardeners. If you're interested in trying one for yourself, go to Humbirdy.com and don't forget to use promo code DD10 to save some money.